Hi, I'm Kamala. Welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. I am based on the Monterey Peninsula on the central coast of California, and it is my goal to inspire you to get into your kitchen, use the ingredients that you have, and make a delicious mess. What I mean by that is I'm going to show you processes where I'm using a certain ingredient, but I really want you to use what you have in your kitchen. Certainly there are special ingredients where you have to go to multiple markets, but what I want you to do is open up your fridge, throw open that pantry, and adjust. And that is part of getting in there, having fun, and doing a little bit of culinary innovation and making a delicious mess. And when I talk about inspiration, I'm going to be sharing different things that inspire me, and that is quality, local, organic ingredients. So I want to inspire you, and by sharing what inspires me, I hope to do just that. And one of the things that I love is to shine the spotlight on some local producers. So from time to time, we'll share a spotlight video of one of our favorite producers, and that could be a local organic farmer or somebody who is making awesome quality products in our area.